So I was in sound effects library, and I saw some users that misunderstood some sound effects, like there are their own. Place the galloping horse with the running footsteps. Okay, let's review. Most sound effects are unrecognizable, like the ocean waves, while some of them are recognizable by us autistic people with a good ear of sound effects. For example, ship horn and seagulls. Ship's horn and seagulls. Let's make sound effects wiki a better place and see if anyone wants to keep a good ear on the unrecognizable sound effects and try to compare the sound effects to the misunderstood ones.